January 2024 Current Affairs. India becomes only the second country in the globe after the US to launch an Advanced Astronomy Observatory to study black holes and neutron stars, ISROs. XPOSAT, PSLV, C58. First dedicated polarimetry mission lifetime is 15 years. The world's largest lithium reserve was discovered beneath Salton Sea. Lithium is also called as white gold, 21st century oil, and star mineral. Desert cyclone, sometimes in news. Joint military exercise of India and UAE. It was conducted in Rajasthan. BRICS membership count increased from 5 to 10 with the addition of the new members. On January 1, 2024, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, the United Arab Emirates, Iran, and Ethiopia officially joined the BRICS group of emerging markets, at 15th BRICS Summit in Johannesburg, South Africa. The headquarters of BRICS Bank is in Shanghai. It was formed in 2009 and since then the governments of these 5 countries meet annually in a formal summit. The BRICS Bank or New Development Bank was developed by an agreement signed during the 6th BRICS Summit in Fortaleza, Brazil, 2014. For the year 2020, Russia hosted the 12th BRICS Summit. In 2021, India was the host of the 13th BRICS Summit. Lord Rama's idol carved by Arun Yogiraj of Mysore installed in Ayodhya. PM Jan Man, to cover Jenu Kurubas and Koragas. In Karnataka, Jenu Kurubas and Koragas of Karnataka will benefit from the Pradhan Mantri Janjati Adivasi Nyay Maha Abhiyan or PM Jan Man program targeted at particularly vulnerable tribal group PVTG. Prithvi Vigyan Prithvi, the Union Cabinet on the 5th of January 2024 approved the overarching scheme, Prithvi Vigyan Prithvi, of Ministry of Earth Sciences for implementation during the period 2021-26 at an overall cost of 4,797 crore rupees. Japan-led XRISM mission reveals its first X-ray picture of cosmos. XRISM, the ambitious Japanese-led mission, gave us a sneak peek into what its science operations will reveal over the years. India's first green hydrogen blending project has been commissioned in Gujarat. Government of Karnataka has planned to host the first international paddle festival at Sasihitula Beach, Mangalore. Karnataka's first AI-generated news presenter, Saundarya. The Madhya Pradesh government has unveiled the Virangana Durgavati Tiger Reserve, becoming the 7th tiger reserve in the state and the 54th in India. MP has the highest tier reserve in India. Hasiru Rikshaka Green Guardian Certificate. Those students who successfully nurture a plant for 3 years will be honored. Which of the following app has been provided by the government of Karnataka to view digital library services online? Mobile app A Sarvajanika Granthalaya. India's longest bridge on sea, Atal Setu, located in Mumbai. The bridge connects Mumbai to Navi Mumbai. It is a 6-lane bridge with about 16.5 kilometers of length over sea and about 5.5 kilometers of length on land. PM Narendra Modi recently inaugurated the bridge. The Indian Navy has recently acquired its first indigenous medium-altitude long endurance mail drone, the Drishti 10 Starliner unmanned aerial vehicle UAV. Madhya Pradesh's Indore and Surat have been recognized as India's cleanest cities. As part of the Swachh Survekshan Awards 2023 by the Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Maharashtra has bagged the Clean State Award. Operation Amrit, sometimes in news, related to prevention of overuse of antibiotics by Kerala government. India's first healthy and hygienic food street, Prasadam, has been opened in MP. UP has planned to build India's first artificial intelligence (AI) city in India. First case of Kaisanur forest disease in 2024 claims 19-year-old's life in Karnataka. It is a tick-borne viral hemorrhagic fever with significantly higher rates of human mortality. It was first reported from Shivamogga district in Karnataka in the late 1950s. Divyakriti Singh becomes first Indian woman Arjuna awardee for equestrian sports. Indian Army indigenously develops end-to-end secure mobile ecosystem Sambhav. Operation Sarva Shakti, Indian Army's robust attempt to flush out terrorism. Chadox 1 Nipah vaccine, first vaccine for Nipah virus, under trials, Oxford. Scientists, Nipah virus, first case, and cases are localized to Kozhikode district. Zoonotic virus, meaning that it can spread between animals and people. India International Science Festival 2023 is being held in Haryana, the central. Theme for IISF 2023 is Science and Technology Public Outreach in Amritkal. PM Modi to inaugurate Boeing India's Tech Center campus in Bengaluru. Karnataka launches Brow Safe, a free tool to protect citizens from cyber frauds. Japan, fifth country to moon land, used tech that will support future missions. Other countries: the Soviet Union, Intercosmos, the United States, NASA, China, CNSA. India, ISRO. Pench Tiger Reserve becomes India's first dark sky park. A dark sky preserve, DSP, is an area, usually surrounding a park or observatory, that restricts artificial light. Pollution. India's first female elephant mahout, Parbati Barwa, has been conferred with Padma Shri in the field of social work, animal welfare, on the occasion of India's Republic Day 2024. The all-women contingent of Delhi Police has bagged the Best Marching Contingent award amongst Central Armed Police Forces, other auxiliary force. The tableau of Ministry of Culture Bharat, Mother of Democracy, has been named as the best tableau, ministries, departments, by the jury. Our Stars of Destiny, an autobiography of Manoj Mukund Narawane. Raghuram Rajan's new book, Breaking the Mold, Reimagining India's Economic Future, released. Jayashankar gives first copy of his book, Why Bharat Matters, to PM Modi. Narendra Modi inaugurated the Maharishi Valmiki Airport in Ayodhya. Gujarat has emerged as the nation's petrochemical powerhouse, boasting the world's largest grassroots oil refinery. World Blitz Chess Championship 2023, Men, Magnus Carlsen, Women, Guneen Nguyen. Justice Sanjeev Khanna of Supreme Court nominated as Executive Chairperson of National Legal Service Authority of India. Pakistan conducts successful flight test of indigenously developed rocket system. Futter 2. World's oldest fort, Amnia Fort, found in Siberia, Russia. Niti Aayog's first Vice Chairman Aravinda Panagaria to head 16th Finance Commission. Bangladeshi Nobel laureate economist Muhammad Yunus gets jail term for violating labor laws. From the new year, all wages under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act (MGNREGA) scheme must be paid through an Aadhaar-based payment system (ABPS), which requires workers' Aadhaar details to be seeded to their job cards. India emerges as world's second largest steel producer while China has topped first. National Youth Festival to be held at Nashik on the 12th of January 2024. Russian President Vladimir Putin says, next BRICS summit in 2024 under Russia's presidency in Kazan. Jio working with IIT Bombay to launch Bharat GPT. Gujarat sets world record for mass Surya Namaskar on January. Jammu and Kashmir became the first union territory to implement Pradhan Mantri Vishwakarma Yojana. Kerala launches K-Smart, an ambitious project for smooth digital access to services of local body institutions. Indian Olympic Association appoints Raghuram Iyer as CEO. Bangladesh election 2024. Sheikh Hasina re-elected for 5th term. Ambassador Indra Mani Pandey assumes charge of BIMSTEC Secretary General. External Affairs Minister Jayashankar, Nepal counterpart co-chairs 7th India-Nepal Joint Commission meeting in Kathmandu. In addition, joint exercise Surya Kiran 17 held at Pithoragarh. EAM Jayashankar to represent India at Uganda NAM Summit in January 2024. Mr. Vikas Sheel, a seasoned bureaucrat, is now the executive director of the Asian Development Bank (ADB) in Manila. Virat Kohli clinches Puberty Athlete of the Year 2023 award, beats Argentina's Lionel Messi. World's most smallest test match played between India and South Africa. Savitribai Phule and Fatima Sheikh Memorial Library opened in Kalaburagi. Birth anniversary of Fatima Sheikh. Chalo Lakshadweep. EastMyTrip suspends Maldives flight bookings amid India Maldives row India to host UNESCO's World Heritage Committee for first time in Delhi. The School Education Department has directed all schools across the state to conduct open house to create awareness about the POCSO, Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act and Child Protection Policy, 2016. PM announced 15,000 crore rupees, Vishwakarma Yojana, for people engaged in traditional skills in which Karnataka has topped in its registration. Justice P.S. Dinesh Kumar as new Chief Justice of Karnataka High Court. 3 Karnataka Wetlands, Magadi Kare Conservation Reserve, and Kasamudra Bird Conservation Reserve and Aghanashini Estuary are among the 5 new ones.